Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, Kartik month has started and it is a very auspicious month. Kartik month is one of the most auspicious month in a lunar calendar. The lunar calendar has been divided into two parts, Dakshinayana and Uttarayana. Kartika Masam comes under Dakshinayana. Out of the two ayanas, Dakshina is set aside for sadhana. Sadhana means a process by which one would get salvation. Out of all the months in Dakshinayana, Kartika Masam is best suited for sadhana. Hence, Kartika Masam is one of the most auspicious months of the lunar calendar. The most important significance of the Kartik month is that Kartik Masam is auspicious to both the devotees of Lord Shiva as well as Lord Vishnu. During Kartik Masam, temples of both Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu are busy with devotees thronging both the temples. Kartika Masam helps us to understand that Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu are not different but only one. Shivaya Hridaya Vishnu Vishnusya Hridaya Shivaya Eta Shiva Mayor Vishnu Evam Vishnu Maya Shivaha. During Kartika Masam, it helps the devotees to understand and embrace within himself that there is no difference between Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva and that both are one. The important rituals of Kartika Masam: lighting of diya or a lamp. During Kartik Masam, diyas are lighted and placed in front of Tulasi plant and near the main entrance of the house before sunrise and just before sunset. It is considered auspicious to lit a diya during Kartika Masam. Temples would light a diya and would bring the diya to the top of the Dhwajastambha in the temple and tie it there on Kartika Purnima or Kartika Purnima. This diya is called Akasa Deepam. Kartika Purnima is celebrated in similar lines of Diwali and the whole house is decorated with diyas. Crackers are burnt on Kartik Purnima. Bathing river or Nadi Snanam. Another important significance is bathing in river during Kartik Masam or Kartik month. The rivers have received fresh water during the rainy season comprising of Shravana and Bhadrapada Masam. As the river overflows bank and are furious, bathing in rivers during Shravana and Bhadrapada is prohibited. The rivers completely settle down by the time of Kartika Masam. Also, the moon during the Shravana Ritu is special one. Sharad Ritu is known for the moonlight. Sharad Ritu comprises of Ashvija and Ashwin month and Kartika Masam or Kartik month. All along the Asvija Masam, the river would absorb the energy from moon. By bathing in the river in Kartika Masam, one can absorb this energy from the river. Hence, it is mandate that one should take a bathe in the river or perform Nadi Snanam in Kartika Masam. The process of performing the Nadi Snanam is close to the nose with the thumb fingers and close the ears with the middle fingers and make a dip so that the whole body along with the head is under the water. This has to be repeated for a minimum of 3 times. It is common rituals that people would go out with families and friends to park or nearby forests to have dinner during the Kartika Masam. These are known as Vanabhojanalu. The process of how to observe Vanabhojanalu can be read at Vanabhojanalu. The process of puja is to be performed during Vanabhojanalu can be read at Vanabhojanalu puja process. Devotees of Lord Vishnu will perform the Satyanarayan Vrat during the holy month of Kartika Masam. It is believed that it is performing of Satyanarayan Vrat on Kartika Punyam would help them to free themselves from all the sins. Devotees of Lord Shiva would perform the Ekadasha Rudra Abhishekam for the whole month of Kartika Masam to please Lord Shiva. For devotees would observe a Kartika Samvata Vratam, the normal process of Kartika Samvata Vratam would be to fast for the whole day, perform the Rudra Abhisheka by chanting the Rudranam Chamakam, then eat after seeing the stars. Natta Vratam is observed by the devotees. The process of observing Natta Vratam is to fast for the whole day and eat only after seeing the stars for the whole month of Kartika Masa. So only if this routine is followed for the complete month it is called Natta Vratam or Nattalu. The Ekadashi of Kartika Masam is also very special, hence people would observe the Kartika Ekadashi Vrat. Kartika month is the period when the enchantingly beautiful child Krishna starts playing the sweet pastime of stealing butter. Mother Yashoda bound little mischievous Krishna with ropes around his waist, so the grinding motor of having stolen butter, and thus he came to be known as Damodara. The Lord of the Lords thus displays his unlimited mercy by letting his pure devotees to bind him with the rope of pure love. The Puranas extol the auspicious month of Karti as the topmost of all the months. It is also known as the month of Damodara and is the most meritorious and purified of all other pure months. Lord Krishna's mercy is very easily accessible in this month, and to demonstrate the sincerely devotees accept their austerities such as fasting, cutting down on non essential activities, offering charity, chanting extra rounds of Maha Mantra, and engaging in the love devotional service unto the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. Worshipping of Tulsi, serving Lord Krishna's cow is especially glorified. Vedic scripture suggests one may observe the following foremost activities throughout the entire Kartik month. Japa, chanting the holy names of Lord Hari. Eat only Krishna Prasadam. Daily offer ghee lamps to Lord Krishna. Practice celibacy. Worship of Tulsi Deva. Give in charity, perform austerity. During the month of Kartik, one should renounce excessive eating, sleeping, and other luxurious and maximum performance of devotional service. One should eat only Krishna Prasadam and hear or recite Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam in the company of Vaishnavas. There should be incense, Harinama Kirtana, and Smaranam. Lord Krishna says, of all plants, the sacred Tulsi is the most dear to me of all months. Kartik is most dear to all places of pilgrimage. My beloved Dwaraka is most dear of all days. Ekadasi is most dear. In the Skanda Purana, it is stated as Satyuga is the best of yugas, as the Vedas are the best of scriptures, as the Ganga is the best of rivers, as the Kartik is the best of the months, the most dear to the Supreme Personality, Godhead, Lord Krishna. Srimad Radharani is known as the Kartika Devata or Kartik Devi. In other words, Radhika is the goddess of presiding deity in the month of Kartika. Among all other gopis, Srimad Radharani is the most dear to Lord Krishna. Therefore, in the month of Kartika, one should worship Lord Damodara with Srimati Radharani near him. In the month of Kartika, one should daily worship Lord Damodara and sing Damodara Ashtakam. During Damodara month, devotees get the opportunity to personally perform the arati to Lord Damodara with ghee lamps and sing the very enchanting Damodara Ashtakam daily in the morning and evening to receive special mercy of the Lord. Items to take in Kartik. This is the very auspicious fourth month of Chaturmasya. One should observe maximum penance, austerity, religious observing, chant maximum rounds of Maha Mantra, bathe in holy rivers, perform sacrifice, worship, and charity. Only following items are allowed to be taken in the spiritual month: rice, wheat flour, maida, moong dal, sugar and salt, milk, dairy products, all fruits, groundnuts, green chili, ginger, turmeric, cumin seeds, groundnut oil, ghee, flour, cabbage, potato, sweet potato, kham, aloo, radish, pumpkin, arbi, papaya, green banana, thor, banana tree, mocha, suran. Let us know what to do on which date in Kartik month. The mythology is the first to tell Vasishtha Maharshi Janaka Maharaja that the Kartik month starting from the next day of Diwali is very special to all months. That means every day in the month of Kartik is holy. Every day has a different kind of unique. Let us know what to do on which date this month. Kartika Shuddha Padhyami should get up early in the morning, take bath and go to the temple praying to make Kartika Vratam a diligent, give determination and visit the sky lamp. Vidya has to eat food and gifts to her sister's house. It is said that these kind of people will get rid of Yama Gandam. The third day, Kumkuma Puja should be done to the goddess. The fourth day, on the occasion of Nagal Chavati, Subramanyeshwari Veshwara should be worshipped. Milk should be poured in the snake houses. Then the Panchami, this is called Jnana Panchami. If you worship Subramanyeshwara today, you will get enhancement of knowledge. Then the Shashti day, today, if you donate new red bar scarf to a bachelor, you will get a child. Saptami, if you apply wheat in red color and donate it, you will get it life growth. Ashtami, Go Puja done today will give good result. This is also known as Gopashtami. Navami, Vishnu Tirtha Vratam should be celebrated for 3 days from today. Dashami, Vishnu Puja should be done tonight. Ekadashi, this is called Bodhana Ekadashi. If you do Vishnu Puja today, you will get good luck. Dwadashi, today is called Shirab Dwadasi. In the evening, Vishnu Puja should be done at Tulsi plants and light lamps. This will make all sins gone. Trayodashi, if you donate, this will go away. Chaturdashi, it is better to do Pashna Chaturdashi Vratam. Kartika Purnima, the most sacred day in the month of Kartika, have to take part in the river today and visit the Jwala Thoran at the Shiva temple. If you do Satyanarayan Vratam today, all sins will be removed. Kartika Bahula Pajyami, it is good to donate leaves. Vidya, a perfect day to make a meal. Tadiya, if Tulasi Mas are offered to Pandits and Guru's wisdom will increase. Chavati, after fasting all day and worship Ganapati in the evening with Garaka. If you keep that Garika under the pillow and sleep, your dreams will go away. Panchami, it is good to feed the ants and feed the dogs. Sashti, puja should be done to the village goddesses. Saptami, gilded flowers, then mala should be submitted to Lord Shiva. Ashtami, if you read Kala Bhairava Ashtakam and offer vada to Bhairava goddess, you will get money. Navami, if you pour water in silver or copper kalasham donated to the Pandit, the gods of the father will be happy. Dashami, if you donate food, Vishnu will be happy and wishes will be fulfilled. Ekadashi, in Vishnu temple, lamp worship, Purana listening, reading, Jagaran will get good results. Dwadashi, it will be good for you to offer food donation. Or Trayodashi, if you do Navagraha Aradhana today, the planetary mistakes will be removed. Chaturdashi, today is month of Shivaratri. If you do Shiva worship and Abhishekam, you will get rid of miscreants and planet problems. Amavasya, if you donate food in the name of Father and Goddesses, the elders will get rid of suffering of hell. Friends, this is the importance of Kartika Masam, which is a very auspicious month. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And those viewers who are watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to press the bell button and all symbol so that you will get my video notifications. Thank you very much.